What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to turn the Facebook mobile app into dark like this one of my personal account, and you can see how simple it is so you can save your eyes at night. The Facebook dark is already enabled on desktop, but on mobile it's not enabled by default into the app. In some cases I'm using iPhone, so iOS. And in iOS this isn't enabled, even if your system color is dark. So we need to enable it onto the app directly. How to do that? Go to your profile page into the bottom right corner, scroll a little bit down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. And into this one you can see the dark mode with this little moon icon. You can click on it and set to follow the system on and off. I do prefer the dark mode even during the day, so you can set it to follow your system color on and off. I prefer it set it as on, but let's set it to follow the system. My system on iOS it's set as dark, so the mobile app it's dark as well. Simple, fast, easy, and effective. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. If you need any kind of site builder tool, themes, plugins, and if you want more tutorials of mobile apps, subscribe to the Visual Modo YouTube channel. And I see you later. All the best!